A new mom is unsure how tight the swaddle should be. What is the nurse's best advice? Correct answer is C. Sung around chest, loose around hip. Ensures comfort while preventing hip dysplasia. Next question. During teaching, the nurse sees the blanket covering the baby's nose. What should she correct? Correct answer is C. Pull blanket away from face. Covering the face can cause suffocation. Next question. Which material is safest for swaddling? Correct answer is B. Breathable cotton. Cotton allows airflow and prevents overheating. Next question. A baby resists being swaddled. What should the nurse suggest? Correct answer is B. Use sleep sack swaddle. Sleep sacks offer a gentler alternative. Next question. When should swaddling be stopped? Correct answer is B. When baby starts rolling. Rolling increases suffocation risk while swaddled. Next question. A postpartum mom asks why swaddling is important. You respond. Correct answer is B. To mimic womb comfort, swaddling provides a square womb-like feel. Next question. Which limb position is best during swaddling? Correct answer is C. Arms tucked, flexed, hip loose, allows natural movement and reduces hip dysplasia risk. Next question. A new dad asks how many blankets to use. What's correct? Correct answer is A. One light blanket reduces overheating and keeps baby comfortable. Next question. Nurse notices baby sweating while swaddled. What should she do? Correct answer is C. Unwrap slightly or remove swaddle. Sweating is a sign of overheating. Next question. What is the risk of swaddling too tightly around hips? Correct answer is B. Dislocated hips. Tight hip swaddling can lead to hip dysplasia. Next question. A newborn startles and flees arms often. What is the benefit of swaddling here? Correct answer is B. Controls Moro reflex. Swaddling reduces walking from startle reflex. Next question. Mother asks when to swaddle during the day. What is best advice? Correct answer is C. For naps and bedtime. Helps baby sleep better during rest periods. Next question. Which swaddling method is most commonly used? Correct answer is C. Burrito wrap. Simple and square method resembling a burrito. Next question. Which sign shows improper swaddling? Correct answer is C. Baby's legs are straight and rigid. Straight legs indicate hips are too tight. Next question. What position should swaddled babies sleep in? Correct answer is C. On back reduces SIDS risk. Next question. A nurse teaches a mom that a swaddled baby should be placed. Correct answer is B. On back on firm surface. Promotes safe sleep and reduces SIDS. Next question. A swaddled baby rolls to the side during sleep. What should be done? Correct answer is B. Remove swaddle for safety. Rolling while swaddled increases risk of suffocation. Next question. How should a nurse respond to can I swaddle over the baby's face in winter? Correct answer is B. No, always keep face clear. Covering the face risks suffocation. Next question. A nurse sees a swaddle blanket dragging near crib reels. What's the risk? Correct answer is C. Strangulation hazard. Loose fabric can entangle baby. Next question. What is the safest room temperature when swaddling a baby? Correct answer is B. 68 to 72 degree Fahrenheit, 20 to 22 degree centigrade. Reduces the risk of overheating. Next question. Why should hips be loose when swaddling? Correct answer is B. Promotes hip development, prevents hip dysplasia. Next question. A nurse teaches a new mom the first step in swaddling is. Correct answer is C. Lay blanket in diamond shape, creates correct orientation for wrapping. Next question. Mom asks if Balsro swaddles are safe. Nurse replies. Correct answer is B. Yes, if used properly. Velcro swaddles are secure and convenient. Next question. What should not be included when swaddling? Correct answer is C. Toys. Toys pose a suffocation hazard. Next question. Swaddling is helpful to reduce which reflex? Correct answer is B. Muro. Swaddling controls startling movements. Next question. A baby cries after being swaddled. What could be the cause? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Discomfort can come from multiple sources. Next question. Which is a benefit of swaddling? Correct answer is B. Promotes sound sleep. Swaddling calms and soothes newborn. Next question. A mom uses two thick blankets to swaddle. What is the risk? Correct answer is C. Overheating. Too many layers trap heat dangerously. Next question. Swaddling beyond 2 months can lead to. Correct answer is B. SIDS risk if baby rolls. Older infants may roll in swaddle and suffocate. Next question. A new dad asks how long to keep baby swaddled at one time. You say. Correct answer is C. During naps and night time only. Let baby stretch and interact when awake. Next question. A preterm infant in NICU is swaddled. This is helpful because it. Correct answer is B. Enhances neurological development. Provides contaminant similar to boom. Next question. When teaching swaddling, which sign means baby is too warm? Correct answer is B. Red cheeks and sweating. These are overheating signs. Next question. What part of baby's body should be most secure in swaddle? Correct answer is B. Arms and chest helps control startle reflex. Next question. In the hospital, nurse checks swaddle after feed. Why? Correct answer is D. Ensure airway and comfort. Feeds may loosen or shift the wrap. Next question. When laying a swaddled baby to sleep, always. Correct answer is B. Place baby on back. Safest sleep position. Next question. Which swaddling practice is unsafe? Correct answer is D. Face covered. Always keep face clear. Next question. A baby gets fussy when arms are tucked. Try. Correct answer is B. Leaving one or both arms out. Some babies prefer hands free. Next question. Why is swaddling not advised for awake time? Correct answer is B. It delays motor skills. Awake time helps with development.